So I've used 350 Celsius on my iron. Make sure the tin is the tip is freshly tinned. You want to desolder. Put a little bit of solder on the iron and touch it to the old solder point that you want to melt off. That'll transfer the heat quicker and melt it for you. And then just basically using some forceps designed for the purpose, just hold on to the part and don't really, if you have to pull, it's not ready to come off yet, it'll suddenly become very wiggly and just come right off. So basically right now I got my little hands-free gadget holding the lamp, basically the lamp mount. So I just unscrewed that so that's right off here. Get the wires where I am, freeze me up some of my hands. I took the other halves of the broken 100 ohm resistors off of these positions here. So what we have are, instead is a wire round type resistor, which from what I read, these tend to be less noisier resistors than the ceramic ones anyway. And so here's the 100 ohm. These are half watt. Just buy a set of these kits. You'll get basically all the ohms range you'll ever need, and really for low $20, you may as well just have all the resistors you need. These are just a nice half watt resistor that will replace the old ones, which you can see are broken down here. And I'm going to start by mounting them onto here and probably keeping them a little short in, and then we'll have the length of lead to go down to the ground on the other end. And so we'll put two of these back. I'm going to mount them on here first, then put the lamp housing back in there, and then feed in the second ends. And that should replace the resistor problem. And hopefully get rid of the mild hum from the heater filament circuit.